The Assault Industries Adventure Rack is more than just a spare tire carrier. It's the ultimate upgrade for your UTV's rear cargo area. This second generation heavy duty rack is constructed from high grade 1018 steel and mounts to all 2014 and later Polaris RZR XP and Turbo S series cages, as well as many aftermarket cages. It's designed to create a secure upper storage for your rear cargo area, suitable for a spare tire, camping gear, a cooler, even a Rubbermaid action packer, all while preserving the lower cargo area. The Assault Adventure Rack's hinge points and easy lift gas shocks are rated for a 32-inch tire and wheel and easily lift your storage items out of the way. This allows for more bed storage and protection from the elements when locked in place with the easy latches. The rack system is finished with a durable semi-gloss powder coat black finish and is made in the USA from high-grade 1018 steel for superior strength and rigidity. This adventure rack is easy to mount with minimal tools. You start by simply installing the two rack pivot mounts on the rear roll cage crossbar, finger tight at first. Then remove the cage bolts and install the striker bracket. Next, install the striker bolt and test fit everything, making adjustments as you go. Then install the Easy Gas choke ball socket studs, and now you've got lifting power. Finally, make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening everything down. Utilize Assault's 3-point Y-strap to load and secure your spare tire before you hit the trail. Stop strapping your spare tire, tools, and other expensive items to your cargo area and hoping for the best. Pick up the Assault Industries Adventure Rack and put some utility back in your RZR. The Assault Industries Adventure Rack is available wherever superior off-road products are sold or direct at assaultind.com. Assault Industries, the leader in high-performance off-road products.